If you ever need to understand how to trade after hours on Robinhood, the process is straightforward, but there's one thing to keep in mind. You must trade in whole shares. Fractional shares won't go through immediately and will only queue as a market order for the next session. To Zevia, place an after-hours trade, open the stock you want, and tap the Trade button. Choose Buy, and you'll see two options, buying in dollars or buying in shares. If you choose to trade using dollars, the order will be converted into a market order and held until the market opens again. But if you switch to buying in shares, you can submit the order right away, even after hours. Just enter the number of shares, review the details, and submit the order. This gives you the choice: queue a fractional share purchase for later, or buy whole shares and have it execute immediately during extended trading hours. And that's all you need to know to place after-hours trades smoothly on Robinhood.